How would you feel about a future where vehicles are safer, products are stronger, and machinery lasts longer? Stick around to the end to uncover the scientific breakthrough that could make this possible. Welcome to a world of metals that defy the limits of strength. At the forefront of this innovation are high-entropy alloys, or HEAs, with improved strength and ductility, all thanks to laser-based additive manufacturing. Now, what are these high-entropy alloys? They are a type of material crafted by combining multiple elemental metals designed to thrive in extreme conditions. In the past, traditional 3D printing methods have resulted in poor ductility, but this is no longer the case. Researchers have turned the tables by employing advanced techniques such as neutron and X-ray scattering, as well as electron microscopy. These methods have been instrumental in understanding the mechanisms behind the improved performance of these laser-crafted HEAs. These stronger, more malleable HEAs are not just a scientific curiosity. They bear the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, paving the way for safer and more fuel-efficient vehicles, robust products, and machinery that stands the test of time. The secret lies in the laser-based additive manufacturing process that produces nano-lamellae structures. These structures boast of high strength and excellent slippage capabilities, attributes that have been elusive in the world of metals. But it doesn't stop there. These new high-entropy alloys have exhibited high-yield strengths and elongation, surpassing other additive manufacturing metal alloys. This is a game-changer for industries that rely on the resilience and durability of their materials. This groundbreaking research was conducted at DOE user facilities and received funding from various sources. It's a testament to the power of collaborative and innovative science. Now imagine a world where the strength of our materials is no longer a limiting factor, but a driving force for innovation. A world where the resilience of our creations is only bounded by our imagination. That's the world that laser-crafted metals promise us. To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.